Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is the classical complement pathway. So let's discuss that. Classical complement pathway. So let's discuss this, okay? Suppose this is a antigen. This is the antibody. The FAB region of the antibody is bound to the antigen. This is the FC region and this is the FAB region. So this antigen antibody complex activates the classical complement pathway. Okay, activated by antigen antibody complex. So it is very important. Okay, now the complement protein known as C1 complex comes. Okay, C1 complex is a complement protein that is made up of C1q, C1r and C1s. Okay, so C1q is in 6 in number, C1r is in 2 in number and it is also 2 in number. So C1q will come and bind over here. Okay, let me erase this part. So this is C1q. Okay, this will come and bind over here. Then C1r will come, C1r, then C1s comes. C1r and C1s are proteases. That means they will cleave another protein, okay, and activate it. So C1r is a protein, it gets activated and it will activate C1s. Now C1s is a protein, that is a protease, okay, protease, so it will cleave two other complement proteins, that is C2a and C4b. Okay, these two are cleaved by C1s, these two. Okay, now C2a will be cleaved, C2a, not C2a, C2 and C4. Okay, so C2 and C4 are cleaved by C1s and into C2a, C2b, and C4 is cleaved into C4a and C4b. Now this C2a and C4b, C2a and C4b, okay, they form C3 convertase. Okay, they form C3 convertase. C3 convertase, the name is suggesting that it will convert C3 complement protein. C3 is another complement protein. Okay, now C3 will be converted into C3a and C3b by C3 convertase. Okay, by this C2 and C4b. Now C3b will combine with C3 convertase. Now C3b combines with C2a and C4b to form C5 convertase. Okay, C5 convertase. Now it will convert C5. C5 convertase will convert C5 to C5b and C5a. Okay, now this C5b goes over here and binds here. C5b. Okay, C5b binds with the antigen. Now what happens? Other complement proteins like C6, C7, C8 and poly C9 also join. Okay, they will also bind over here. C6, C7, C8 and poly C9, many C9 also, many. Okay, they all form MAC. They all will form MAC, that is membrane attack complex. Membrane attack complex, this is only telling us that it will attack the membrane of the antigen. what these membrane attack complex do? It will create pores in the antigen cell. As the pores are created, the water will come out. Okay. Then the ion disbalance will occur. Ion disbalance, because the ions are going out and in, there is ion disbalance. So that is cell lysis. Cell lysis will occur. The antigenic cell will die due to that. Okay. So due to H2O coming out, due to the exit of H2O and ion disbalance, the antigenic cell dies. Okay. So let me explain once again what happened. This is the antigen. To that antibody will bind, and this antibody can be IgM or. So I was explaining that how it occurred. I will explain it once again. Okay. So this was the antigen. To that antibody will bind. That antibody either can be IgM or it can be IgG. Okay. Now what happens? C1 complex comes. Okay. C1 complex comes. C1 complement protein is made up of C1q, C1r and C1s. Okay. C1q is in 6 in number, it is 2 in number, and it is also 2 in number. So C1q is the first one to bind to the Fc region of the antibody. Then C1r comes and C1s comes. So C1s and C1r are proteases. They will cleave other proteins. Okay. So C1s will cleave C2 and C4 into C2a, C2b, C4a and C4b. The C2a and C4b form the C3 convertase. Now C3 convertase will convert C3 into C3a and C3b. Okay. The C3b combines with C3 converters, that is C2a and C4b, to form C5 convertase. Now C5 convertase will do what? It will convert C5 into C5a and C5b. Okay. The C5b goes and attaches to the antigen. Now other complement proteins like C6, C7, C8 and poly C9 will come and form MAC, that is membrane attack complex. Okay. The membrane attack complex, what it will do is it will create pores in the antigen cell. Pores are created, so water will come out and ion disbalance will be there. Ions will go in and out in any proportion. Okay. So ion disbalance, and due to that cell lysis or cell death will occur. The antigenic cell will be killed by this classical complement pathway. So this was all about the classical complement pathway. The MAC consists of what? The MAC consists of C6, C7, C8, poly C9 and C5b. Okay. MAC, C5b, C6, C7, C8 and poly C9. This is membrane attack complex. Membrane attack complex. Okay. And IgG is more potent in activating the complement pathway as compared to IgG. The antibody which was bound to the antigenic cell, I told that IgG, it could be IgG or IgM. So I am saying that IgM is more potent in activating complement pathway. Okay. As compared to IgG, because only one molecule of IgM is required to activate the complement system, whereas IgG, in case of IgG, 2 molecules of IgG are required to activate the complement system. So IgM is more potent. So this was all about the classical complement pathway. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.